D2L is invested in supporting ASCs by providing fast answers through discussions with Brightspace experts, video tutorials, documentation, and creating a seamless case management system using the ASC homepage. This tutorial shows how to navigate the ASC homepage in Brightspace Community. Welcome to the ASC homepage, where it's easy to find fast answers and open a case or request a service. To begin, click Fast Answers. Here, you can find answers to your questions faster. Click Ask a Question and select Ask a Question to post your question to the community. There are thousands of community members, including D2L staff and Brightspace experts, ready to answer your question. Note: as a community member, there is no limit to the number of questions you can ask on Community, and the response time may be faster than opening a case. Click Ask a Question and fill in the required fields. Add as much detail as possible to help the community resolve your question. Send your topic to both the general discussion forum and a more specialized forum by selecting a topic in the Post To menu. Click Top Documentation to access a dynamic list of documentation. Use the tabs to access tool-specific documentation and login help. The documentation within these tabs will change periodically. These resources are identified with icons and include discussions, documentation, and videos. Click Video Tutorials to access Brightspace Tutorials. Brightspace Tutorials is a curated collection of how-to videos organized into playlists by tool and persona. Haven't found the answer you need? Click the Brightspace Community icon to return to your ASC homepage. Click Open a Case or Request a Service. Here we have included some case closing documentation, as well as our leaderboard of Brightspace experts. Navigate to Open a Case or Request a Service. Here, you can open a case, open a request, or review active cases. D2L is invested in supporting ASCs by providing fast answers through discussions with Brightspace experts, video tutorials, documentation, and creating a seamless case management system using the ASC homepage.